Kiwi, also known as the Chinese gooseberry, is a small oval-shaped fruit known for its fuzzy brown skin and vibrant green flesh dotted with tiny black seeds. With its tangy sweet flavor, kiwi is a beloved tropical fruit that is both refreshing and nutritious. Originating from China, it is now grown in various parts of the world, including New Zealand, which is the largest producer. Kiwi is not just a tasty fruit, it's a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your health. Scientific name: Actinidia deliciosa. Family: Actinidiaceae. Native to China, now widely grown in New Zealand, Italy, and other countries. Grown in temperate regions including parts of the US, Chile, and Australia. Types of kiwi. There are several types of kiwi, each with its own distinct characteristics. 1. Green kiwi, Hayward kiwi. The most common variety with brown fuzzy skin and green flesh. It has a tangy and sweet taste. 2. Golden kiwi, Zespri gold. A smoother, hairless kiwi with yellow flesh that has a sweeter, less tart flavor than the green kiwi. 3. Baby kiwi, hardy kiwi or Arctic kiwi. This smaller variety is smooth-skinned and it has a sweet taste with a more intense flavor. You can eat it whole, skin and all. 4. Red kiwi. A less common variety, red kiwi has a red-colored flesh with black seeds in the center and offers a tangy sweet taste. Nutritional value: per 100 gram. Calories: 61 kilocalories. Carbohydrates: 14.66 gram. Natural energy. Fiber: 2.1 gram, supports digestion. Vitamin C: 92.7 milligram, immunity booster. Vitamin A: 25 IU, supports healthy vision. Potassium: 312 milligrams, supports heart health. Folate: 25 microgram, supports cell growth. Water content: 83%, keeps you hydrated. Health benefits of kiwi. 1. Rich in vitamin C. Kiwi is packed with vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system, protect against illness, and promote healthy skin. 2. Promotes digestive health. The fiber in kiwi helps regulate digestion, alleviate constipation, and support a healthy gut. 3. Supports heart health. Kiwi's potassium content helps maintain healthy blood pressure and reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. 4. Rich in antioxidants. Kiwi contains vitamin E, flavonoids, and polyphenol, which protect your body from oxidative stress and keep your cells healthy. 5. Boosts skin health. The high vitamin C in kiwi helps your skin stay youthful by boosting collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and radiant. 6. Aids in weight loss. Low in calories and high in fiber, kiwi is a low-calorie snack that helps you feel full and satisfied without overindulging. 7. Improves sleep. Kiwi contains serotonin, a natural sleep regulator that can help improve sleep quality and duration. Fun facts. 1. Kiwi is packed with more vitamin C than oranges, making it a powerful ally in supporting immunity and overall health. 2. Kiwi's fuzzy skin is edible, though most people prefer to peel it. However, you can also eat the skin for an extra boost of fiber. 3. The kiwi vine can grow as a climbing plant, and it takes about 3 to 4 years to bear fruit. 4. Kiwi is also called the Chinese gooseberry, but its name changed to kiwi after it was introduced to New Zealand, named after their national bird, the kiwi. 5. Kiwi seeds are full of healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for brain and heart health. How kiwi grows. 1. Kiwi vines prefer temperate climates and require plenty of sunlight, well-drained soil, and a support system like trellises to grow. 2. The kiwi plant blooms in the spring with white or pink flowers, and the fruit develops during the summer. 3. Kiwi takes around 3 to 4 years to begin producing fruit, and each vine can produce a large quantity of fruit once it matures. 4. The fruit ripens from green to yellowish green, depending on the variety. The green kiwi is typically harvested before it is fully ripe, while the golden kiwi ripens fully on the vine. Uses of kiwi. 1. Eaten fresh. Simply cut the kiwi in half, scoop out the flesh with a spoon, and enjoy the tangy sweet flavor. 2. In smoothies, kiwi adds a refreshing kick to smoothies and pairs well with other tropical fruits like mango, pineapple, and banana. 3. Kiwi juice. Kiwi juice is a delicious and refreshing drink that is both sweet and tart, perfect for cooling off in the summer. 4. Kiwi in desserts. Use kiwi in fruit salads, cakes, tarts, or even ice creams for a tangy twist. 5. In salads. Kiwi can be sliced and added to savory salads for a burst of flavor that complements greens, nuts, and cheeses. 6. Kiwi jam or jelly. Kiwi is great for making sweet, tangy jams and jellies that pair perfectly with toast or yogurt. 7. Kiwi cocktails. Add kiwi puree to cocktails like a kiwi margarita or kiwi mojito for a tropical touch. Conclusion: kiwi is a small fruit with a big nutritional punch, offering a tangy sweet flavor that refreshes and energizes. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, kiwi is a versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in numerous ways, from fresh slices to smoothies, desserts, and even savory dishes. Whether you're looking for a health-boosting snack or a unique addition to your meals, kiwi is the perfect choice.